Hello, I'm Kwanghyun Gu at Seoul National University of Science and Technology. I will present my paper titled VSKP, Vectorized Kernel-Based Structured Kernel Pruning for Accelerating Deep Convolutional Neural Networks. The presentation is consists of introduction, background, proposed method, experiments, and conclusion. First of all, it's our introduction. Here's our motivations. The convolutional neural networks have afforded significant achievements in computer vision fields such as image classification, object detection, and semantic segmentation have accumulated deep hidden layers gradually to improve the performance of DCNNs. However, as layer depth and the number of parameters in the networks increases and the required computational cost and memory capacity access increases rapidly. It makes DCNNs impractical. Therefore, the need for compression method has been highlighted. In addition, most networks have recently become over-parameterized and proportion of unnecessary parameters have increased. It is natural that research on pruning, which removes parameters, has increased. Most pruning studies are filter pruning and weight pruning, but each has clear limitations. Therefore, research on kernel pruning, which combines the advantage of the both pruning methods, has been increasing. Because the kernel pruning method is difficult to implement with structured pruning, most existing researches are on unstructured kernel pruning. Because of this, kernel pruning studies have never led to actual acceleration, and many pruning studies have used only the size components when estimating importance of parameter. To solve these problems, we focused on the following objectives. We proposed suitable pruning method for kernels, considered both size and direction components are used to maintain the properties of a filter. We proposed structured aware kernel pruning. We achieved actual acceleration. Next is background. The structure of the DCNN is generally a structure in which the layer weight of a 4-dimensional array are stacked. In the layer, the 3-dimensional parameters is a filter, and each filter produces an output feature map of channel. Thus, the number of filters in the convolution layer is the same as the number of output channels of the layer. 2-dimensional parameters in the layer is kernel, and the same number of kernels as the input feature map exists in one filter. Each kernel performs a convolution operation in correspondence with one input feature map channel. As a result, the output feature map of the filter is the same of the results obtained by convolution operations on the kernel and the input feature map in the filter. Filter pruning is the representative technique of structured pruning. Filter pruning selects a filter to be removed based on a pruning criterion and structurally removes the filter from network. Thus, it can be easily accelerated in a GPU environment, and its acceleration performance is high. However, because the number of output channels is reduced, it has the limitation of being difficult to apply to complex networks with shortcut layer. Weight pruning, which is the most representative unstructured pruning technique, compresses the network by assigning a value of 0 to the weights to be removed based on the pruning criterion. Because weight pruning is performed in the smallest unit of the networks, it can be flexibly and is not constrained by the network structure. However, it is difficult to accelerate the DCNN in the GPU environment via weight pruning. Corner pruning, an intermediate step between weight pruning and filter pruning, is applied based on the corner. Unlike filter pruning, corner pruning can be applied without problems in complex structures such as shortcut layers, because corner pruning does not change the number of output channels. Most corner pruning is unstructured pruning, because it is difficult to structurally remove the corner. It is related to the 4-dimensional array weight structure of CNN layer. If the corner of 2-dimensional parameter is structurally removed from the layer weight without any special rules, the 4-dimensional array structure collapsed. Next is proposed method. Here's overall process of our method. Our method is divided to parts. First is pruning process. The following rules are performed in the pruning process. Evaluate the importance of corner through vectorization of corner. Removing corner through vectorization corner pruning. Store the index of the retained corner to use the pruned weight in the convolution operation. Second is convolution process. Corner index convolution is proposed to use pruned weight in convolution operations. Even if you remove corner with only one L1 norm, performance does not drop to a certain level. From this, we assumed two things. The size component of the filter is not only a factor that determines performance. The direction component is as much a key properties of the filter as the size component. In this study, vectorization is performed to make various attempts in evaluating the properties of the corner. Through the vectorization of the corner, it is possible to consider not only the L1 norm, but also directionality with other vectors. For example, in the case of a 3x3 corner, it has 9 elements, which can be expressed as a 9-dimensional vector through vectorization. We assumed a filter vector that represents the properties of the filter and used the method of adding or corner vectors in the filter to obtain it. Now we can extract properties of corner and filter. In order to maintain the properties of the filter vector, a corner vector that has large L1 norm and has a similar direction to the filter vector must be preserved. In other words, if the L1 norm of the corner vector is small or its direction is orthogonal to the filter vector, it should be removed. The following equation is used to determine importance considering both corner direction and size. Alpha is hyperparameter that controls the reflection ratio of L1 norm and direction. We follow global pruning rules to take into account the sensitivity of each layer. First, we need to set a global threshold. Through the previous equation, the importance of the corners are estimated and sorted in order of size, and the importance score located at the given pruning rate is selected as the global threshold. We determined the local pruning rate of each layer through the global threshold. The local pruning rate is determined through ratio of the number of corners with an importance score lower than global threshold within layer and the total corners of the layer. Then corners are removed from all filters within that layer in the order of their importance scores being smaller by the determined local pruning rate. Because the same number of corners are removed from all filters in the layer, the 4-dimension array structure is maintained. Finally, we stored the indexes of the retained corners in the corner index set and used them in convolution operation. In typical convolution, the number of input channels and corner in a filter are the same and match to each sequentially. However, corner pruned filter cannot be used because the number of corners in a filter is less than the number of input channels. To solve this problem, we proposed corner index convolution. Corner index convolution loads only the necessary channels from all input channels through the index stored in the pruning process and uses them for the convolution operation. This process is a very simple method that only requires adding indexing to the convolution operation. So there is little increase in computational complexity. The equation below are typical convolution and corner index convolution. Next is experiments. We tested experiments on ImageNet and CIFAR-10. The framework utilized PyTorch and CUDA to implement corner index convolution. The fine-tuning process is as follows: applying vectorization corner pruning to unstructured pruning, then fine-tuning while maintaining the pruned corner. After performance recovered structurally removed corner, we conducted a latency test to confirm the actual acceleration of corner index convolution. Since it was impossible to implement corner index convolution in PyTorch, CUDA code was used. For a fair comparison between typical convolution and corner index convolution, typical convolution was also implemented in CUDA code. As you can see, compared to CSGG method, it shows a flops reduction that is more than 5% higher compared to DMIGKP, which is the same structure corner pruning method. It is superior in accuracy drop, parameter, and flops reduction. Even on the ImageNet dataset, it shows higher performance than CSGD and DMIGKP. As can be seen in latency compression experiment, actual acceleration can be observed by applying corner index convolution. Moreover, it shows higher acceleration performance when compared to CSGD. The last one is the conclusion. We evaluate importance by utilizing both the L1 norm of the corner, which is the size component, as well as the cosine value, which is the direction component. We reflect the importance of each layer through global threshold. To maintain the 4-dimensional array weight, the corner removed for rate of all filters within one layer is unified through the local pruning rate. Store the index of the retained corner to perform a convolution operation on the pruned weight. Performance actual operation on pruned weight through corner index convolution, and verified actual acceleration through latency test.